This video will show you how to install and update RainbowOne. Install. First, search for RainbowOne in the Google Play Store. Tap the Install button to download and install it. Update. There are two methods of updating: General Update and Critical Update. Critical Update is an important update that needs to be installed for access. General Update includes program revisions or new feature additions. The system will not mandate updates. It will be automatically updated if your device has the Auto Updates feature enabled. If not, a notification will appear on the main screen when a new version of the app is available. Enable Auto Updates. Go to the Google Play Store. Tap your account icon, then go to Settings. Select Network Preferences. Tap App Download Preference. You can choose to auto-update apps over any network, or only over Wi-Fi. Please note that if you enable auto-updates, all programs will be automatically updated when updates are available.